everyone, and welcome back to another motivating clean with me video. If you're new here, my name is Hannah and I would love to have you subscribed. All you have to do is click that red subscribe button down below and then click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. As you can see here, I was giving you a little walkthrough showing you just how messy the house was. I had unboxed a ton of stuff the night before that had gotten shipped to me, and then Kyle was having fun with all of the packaging, popping all of the air bubbles. He loves to stomp on them when I get a package. And then also I had filmed a video the day before. If you haven't seen that video, it's the Dollar Tree organization one, and so I had made a huge mess from that. The boys had made a huge mess in their room, and so that is where we started with the cleaning today, was in the boys' room, and I had them clean it up. So there is going to be some changes coming to this room. Hopefully in the next month or two, we are going to order bunk beds and we're going to get some new bedding for the boys. I'm going to do a little bit of redecorating in here, not too much, but I just have a few new decorations that I want to add. So make sure that you stay tuned for all of that. And I also want to make the boys a Lego table because Kyle's kind of outgrowing that Lego container that he has to keep all of the Legos in. And I just thought if I make them a Lego table, I've seen some ideas on Pinterest, and then I can have some kind of storage system underneath of it for him to keep all of his Legos in. You all can let me know down below if you've ever tried to make one or if it's easier to just buy one. And as you can see, while Kyle's vacuuming, Owen's already pulling out all of the containers again and getting ready to make a second mess. Now that the boys' bedroom is all clean, I'm going to move across the hall and start cleaning the hall bathroom. And there wasn't too terrible much cleaning to do in here. I just wanted to clean off the countertop and the mirror and the toilet and vacuum the floor later on. To clean the mirror, I'm going to use Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. I use this on the countertop as well, and I love this stuff. Every time I run out of it, I always reorder it. I use it on my bathroom countertops, on the mirrors, on the windows, and it works awesome. So once I had the countertop, the toilet, and the mirror clean, then I got the oil diffuser going, and I used a little bit of Peppermint Simply Earth Essential Oils. And I am an affiliate with Simply Earth Essential Oils, so down in the description box there is a link and a coupon code, and if you click that link and use my coupon code, you can get a ton of free stuff with your first order and also a gift card for your next order. So definitely go and check it out if you want to order from them. And if you don't know how to get down to the description box, I do have a couple people say sometimes that they don't know where it's at. You just have to click that little arrow to the right of the title of this video below the video, and then that will open up the whole description box, and there's a ton of info down there and links, so definitely go and check it out. And I also have my Amazon storefront link down there, and I have this Tineco vacuum linked in that Amazon storefront as well. I'm using that same Method Glass and Surface Cleaner here in my master bathroom and those 7th generation cleaning wipes that I always use. I usually use the same combo for my bathroom countertops, and I'm always sharing what kind of cleaning products I'm using. So I want you guys to let me know down in the comments, what are your favorite cleaning products? Do you get your cleaning products from Grove Collaborative, or where do you get your cleaning products from? What are your favorites? Just let me know down in the comments. You can let me know what types of cleaning products you like to use on specific areas. Just share all of your favorites and your ideas down below. Now I'm working here in the kitchen, getting it all cleaned up, getting the dishwasher emptied. I'm going to wash those dishes, and there I was putting away all of the silverware from the dishwasher, and usually that's one of Kyle's chores that he always has to do, but he's currently playing outside, so I just went ahead and did it for him. And Kyle has certain specific chores that he has to do, like emptying the silverware out of the dishwasher. He takes care of my chickens for me. He puts away his toys, just a couple of little chores that he has to do throughout the house. He's 5 years old, and I would love for you moms to share down in the comments, what chores do your kids do and what are their ages? I know some people will do like the chore charts, and then kids can mark off when they do specific chores. It would just be fun to read through what you other moms do, just to give me some ideas, and also to give all of the other moms some ideas as well. Now I'm getting our living room areas cleaned, just getting everything tidied up. I wanted to do some vacuuming on the couches and on the floor, wipe off some surfaces. And as you can see over in this living room, it was quite a mess. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I had filmed another video the day before and unpackaged a bunch of boxes. So yeah, there was a pretty huge mess over there. hope that you enjoyed today's cleaning motivation and inspiration, and as always, if you did, be sure and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. You can also head over and follow me on Instagram at Hannah's Happy Home, and I will see you all in a few days with a brand new video right here on my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.